In this video, I want to touch on something that I got wrong. One of my most popular videos is my top 16 AVR settings. And in that video, I talk about dynamic volume versus dynamic EQ. I love dynamic EQ. It makes everything sound great. It doesn't really color the sound in a negative way. It's just, it sounds really good. Dynamic volume is absolutely terrible for music. It's just bad. For music, it's awful. Now, where did I get it wrong? Well, I suggested that you should never use it. And there is a time and a place to use dynamic volume. Or in other AVRs, it'll be known as compression, things like that. Basically what it does is it makes the quiet parts louder and the louder parts quieter. So it compresses the sound, right? That's a real technical explanation in it. But where it matters, you see this little noisemaker right there? That ruins your ability to watch TV and movies while it's going. By using dynamic volume, you can hear the dialogue a lot better. And it takes care of that problem of having a high noise floor. So when you have too much noise going on, you've got the dishwasher going, you've got laundry going, whatever. There's noise outside, there's something going on. You can use dynamic volume and it'll allow you to hear better without having to crank it so high that when something happens, it's like, oh, wow, it's too loud. And you're constantly struggling back and forth between too loud and too quiet. Dynamic volume or compression will help in those circumstances. I was wrong about never using it, but I'm not wrong about music. Music-wise, even if I've got a high noise floor, I will still not use dynamic volume because it just ruins music. And, I know that's not what it was meant for. It's not meant to ruin music, but it has a purpose. It serves a purpose. That's just something I got wrong. So if you're dealing with a high noise floor and you got one of these noisemakers that are just making your life miserable because it's too freaking loud, you can use dynamic volume. Also, you can get air conditioners that are inverter based and quiet. So they sound more like a mini split. And some of them have it to where you can actually close the window further down and open your window. That's really cool. I think Medea has one that has really good reviews. I may end up getting one just because it's about to get warm and I would rather be able to enjoy my system a little more in the summer. So that's where dynamic volume and compression actually makes sense. And again, watching TV or watching movies, something that requires dialogue. Music, I still turn it off. Even with high noise floor, I just turn it up a little bit more. I hate what it does to music. But as far as hearing dialogue when you need to, it's great for that. When I'm wrong about stuff, I will tell you, and I'll make a video about it, and I'll let you know in the comments. But thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned. I've got a lot going on here, so I really appreciate you watching, and please subscribe.